Understanding reflexivity in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting feature of the English language known as reflexivity. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what reflexivity is and how to use it correctly in a sentence. So, let's get started. Reflexivity in language refers to the action of referring back to oneself. It is used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same person or thing. In English, this is often done using reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. For example, in the sentence, she introduced herself, the word herself is a reflexive pronoun that refers back to the subject, she. Using reflexive pronouns correctly can be a little tricky for English learners. The key rule to remember is that a reflexive pronoun is needed when the subject and the object are the same. I did the homework myself. You should treat yourself to a day off. He cut himself while shaving. However, it's also important not to use a reflexive pronoun when it's not necessary. For instance, she went to the store, not herself went to the store. They will call you soon, not themselves will call you soon. Some verbs in English are commonly used with reflexive pronouns and are known as reflexive verbs. These include verbs like to enjoy oneself, to pride oneself, and to apply oneself. When using these verbs, including the reflexive pronoun is essential to the meaning of the verb. He always prides himself on his cooking. She applied herself to her studies and succeeded. Remember, not every verb that looks like it could be reflexive actually is. Sometimes, it's just the regular verb plus a pronoun and not necessarily reflexive. This can be seen in sentences like, they met him at the airport, not, they met himself at the airport. I saw her in town today, not, I saw herself in town today. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using reflexivity in English. I hope this explanation helps clarify how reflexive pronouns work and when to use them. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try creating sentences using reflexive pronouns to help solidify your understanding. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more language tips. Happy learning, and see you next time.